favorite example is at an open house. I've been to open houses, and I actually have my students go on an assignment where they go on a field trip and they have to go to open houses. My students have to go to open houses, and they have to come back and report to the class how the experience was for them. And so many times they come back and they tell me that either the agent at the open house ignored them and did nothing, or started word vomiting about the property, pointing out, here's the kitchen, here's the bathroom, all the things that are obvious. But it is very uncommon that the agent at the open house actually stopped to ask questions about the human being that was standing right in front of them. And the key to sales, the key to success, the key to a meaningful and joyful life in real estate and everywhere is connecting with other humans. And so if someone comes into your open house, for example, and you're spewing word vomiting about the property and trying to tell them everything great about the property, and they don't like the property, because what are the chances that they are, right? It might not be perfect for them. If they don't like the property, then the relationship is dead. There's nowhere to go from there because there was no connection made. But if you approach an open house instead of, I gotta sell this house, if you approach it instead from a place of, this is a chance to meet and connect with other humans, then when the person standing in front of you is there living and breathing, you can look at them and you can say, hi, I'm Janice, how are you? What's your name? Yeah, what are you doing? And you start asking them questions about themselves, not in a creepy, pushy way. You have to take cues from what they're saying, and you have to follow along the conversation at their level of comfort. There's some bit of reading into other humans, but you start to have a conversation with them, and instead of shining the spotlight on yourself or on the property and word vomiting about how great you are or how great the property is, shine the spotlight on them instead and ask them questions, because you don't know anything about this person standing in front of you, and it's your opportunity to make a connection.